cuties, this is Divya Parwani, your host for OLL Top Skill Student Podcast, where we will be having a very fun, interactive, and adventurous chit chat with the one and only Generation Alpha. So, if you are a Gen Z, if you are a Gen Alpha, or you're the parents who are watching this for your kids, this podcast is definitely for you. Let's go!
कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाडापहा ब्रह्म विचारसार परमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं अभरणीं ज्ञानान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां वितटतीं पद्मासने संस्थिता वन्दे त्वां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्.
You must be aware about AI, right? So, what are your views and thoughts on AI?
I will really some cool
Gen Alpha snacks. Maybe change the tone. Can you try singing a song?
and we go. There was a hand on
Tell me one thing, Deco. You have any crushes?
and then when I feel that time I guess
We have a very special guest with us. He is a legend in making. He is an actor, a sketch artist, well, a master in robotics and whatnot. You name it and he will be. He has won 30 plus medals, topped in International Math Olympiad against 5 lakh students. Well, we bring you the one and only our Gen Alpha, Mr. Laksh. Hi Laksh, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing super great, very excited for this. So Laksh, tell me about yourself and take me through your day.
Alright. Hello everyone, I'm Lakshadhan Saman. I'm 9 years old and I study in 4th standard.
Okay.
So, I start my day at 7 o'clock. And one major thing, books, stage and football ground, these three things describe me the best.
Wow, that was very energetic. So what do you do after coming to school?
So after I come from school, I do my classes and mostly sometimes I go down to play at 7 o'clock with all of my friends and we have a lot of fun time over there. And after that, I get set to study and then I have my dinner and sleep.
Okay Laksh, now tell me what really inspires you. Is it the Ronaldo's energy or the books you read or maybe a little voice in your head that keeps on saying that you have to go, you have to do, you have to do?
There's one inner voice which I just mentioned about. It's in my head and I also heard my mom's words that you should never be overconfident or you should never be proud of yourself. I am so popular, I am so good. And first of all, you should not compare with others. That's one very main thing.
But that's pretty cool. Okay Laksh, tell me, you must be aware about AI, right? So what are your views and thoughts on AI and how do you use it in your day-to-day life?
I use AI by ChatGPT of course and I use it for some robotics blocks, for example the AI vision blocks. And in ChatGPT I asked it various questions. In a few months ago, I was trying to make my own funk song. So I asked ChatGPT that can you give me lyrics of Brazilian funk song. So then I kept going on it. I made a tune on the piano and soon I made launching. I did it.
Okay, so you said you learn about robotics and all. So, like, do you take any classes or how do you learn about robotics?
So I learned robotics from OLR itself.
Wow.
So in our school, Sanjeevani One School, they give us robotics kits for making various robots, and some of them are Johnny Walker robot, Snail robot, and Merry-Go-Round robot, etc.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. What's your favorite one so far?
My favorite one is the one which I made myself.
Okay.
It is a gun. It is not a robot, but it is a gun. So you attach the parts. Like there are two 5-volt beams and two more 5-volt beams, and then you put on a rubber band on top of that. You put it on both the sides, and when you launch it, it goes.
Okay, now let's shake things a bit. Okay. From your end, one super crazy thing which you would like to implement in the school.
The super crazy thing which I think that all schools should have is they should have open sessions in which you can learn about various subjects. For example, art, English, literature, and lots more things. Even robotics. That's what our school teaches us. And you should have the liberty to choose that if I want to go in this category, so I will choose that, and accordingly I will attend that session.
That's now tell me one thing. People of your age and your classmate friends, how can they be as cool and as awesome as you are?
Yes, so I know some people who are really cool. Like there is the one whom I have done ads with, a creative director. His name is Gaurav, and I call him Gaurav Priya. He's from Fidet Media, and he has taught me so many cool things, and he really kept me really comfortable. He made me feel comfortable, and I was the only one vibing with him.
Okay, so according to you, who is the coolest person you know?
Well, my family is really cool, and I will share you about which incident that happened with my grandfather. So, my nana, he was in ICU. After that, he recovered and he was like in normal state. And in the hospital, there was one vendor, salesman, who was threatening him to take one mask of sleep apnea or something. And there was one mask of sleep apnea to cure that. So he literally threatened my grandfather that if you don't wear this mask, you will completely die. But then, guess what my grandmother told?
What?
She said that if you don't get out of this, then you will have to wear the same mask which you are selling.
Oh, that's pretty.
That was a really cool 9 this aura moment.
Like, okay, Laksh, you say that you read a lot. So, what's your favorite read?
Well, actually till date, I have lots of books and all of them are my favorite. But in various topics, in various subjects like for history, Radhasham Chhatrapati at the head of Bajirao. Then in folk tales, I have each and every book of Sudhamriti, and also in Itihas, it's about Sudhamriti. And after that, if it is something about adventurous history, so then it is Famous Spy and Secret 7.
That's kidding me. Now you have worked as an actor. You are doing robotics. You are learning classical, right? It's like you are living multiple childhoods together. But tell me one thing, what would you wish to become when you grow up?
So right now I have too many things which I want to become when I grow up. But you know what? I've set my goal only for one. Earlier when I was like 6 years old, I struck too many things. But now the thing which I most likely want to become is an entrepreneur. Be it any profession, you can become an entrepreneur.
That's pretty cool.
And if you can say in professions, I would definitely love to become a scientist.
Wow. Okay. Okay, Laksh, you mentioned that you do manifestation. That's correct.
Yes.
So, can you tell us some techniques? Like you are just 9, so at such a young age, how do you manifest?
So I manifest by two ways. First is water charging technique. So if there is any kid who is struggling for their confidence, they don't have enough confidence, they are very shy, very low. So then the best thing is that if you take a glass of water, if you take a glass of water or else a bottle, then you have to say the thing which you want as if it has already happened. For example, I am already courageous, I am already courageous. By the grace of God, I am already courageous. Like this, you have to repeat it at least 21 times at blocks. And then you have to drink the water sip by sip during the whole day. That is how it works. Then the other type of manifestation is just to keep chanting it in your mind as if it has already happened. That is what I most commonly use.
Wow, Laksh, that is something which, honestly speaking, I'm very glad that I got it from you, because that is some very new, brand new information for me. So yeah, thank you so much for that. Now, coming to our final questions. So my one final question to you will be, what will be the one final message you would like to give to the students of your age, to the students who are watching this, to your friends and your classmates?
So the message which I want to give to all the kids of my age is that please value your time and spend it wisely. Make a timetable so that you can score really good, and don't spend too much time with screens. Me myself, I spend 30 minutes a day on screen. That's what you should do. And study a lot. Alright? All the best everyone.
Wow, that's really inspiring, and definitely we all will take notes from it. Okay, now since it is the end of the podcast, I want you to teach me a very cool handshake. Can you do that?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so
First like this.
okay,
Then like this.
okay,
This part.
boom. That's pretty cool. Let's do it. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much everyone for watching. Laksh Sawant signing off. Divya Parvati